Hello guys, you're welcome to today's class. Okay, today's class is a very interesting one, trust me. I will be showing us quickly how to remove background from our pictures, be it pictures we snap to our phone, be it pictures we download from Google, from online, any picture whatsoever, any image whatsoever, how to remove background from images. Okay, I'll be sharing with us a very wonderful site. The name of the site is remove.bg. Yes, as a graphic designer, you don't want to joke with this particular site. Trust me. This site removes background from images free of charge. So without wasting much of our time, let's get to business. So I'll be clicking on Chrome. Then I'll be typing in remove.bg. Very good. Remove.bg. It's a very wonderful site. As a graphic designer, you don't want to joke with this site. So this is actually what the site looks like. It's almost loading up. Okay, good. This is actually what the site looks like. So whenever you want to remove background, you just click on upload image, this particular blue icon. Click on it, upload image. Once you click on it, it automatically opens your gallery. So you go to where you have your picture. So in this case, I am trying to locate my image, the image I want to remove background from. Try to locate it. So I have it here. So it's loading up already. I have it in my image. So once it just loads up, it automatically opens on your remove.bg.com. So I'll be selecting this. I'll be selecting what we want to remove the background. So it uploads the image automatically, and it removes the background as well. You see that? So once it has removed the background, so you just click on your download and it automatically downloads it. Now let's go to our gallery to check our image. I'll be doing that, then I'll be going to our gallery. Okay, this is it. This is what, once I click on this, you see that it does not have any background at all. So that is how to remove background in less than 4 minutes, and you're good to go. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more interesting videos. See you in the next class.